I'm here to tell you the top 3 pizza places in Massachusetts. This cannot be disputed. If you disagree with me, go ahead and comment below. I'd love to see what you think. So let's start with number 3. Number 3 is Tripoli Pizza, also known as Beach Pizza. You can find it in Salisbury, Lawrence, North Andover. There's a few locations. It's the same everywhere. It's amazing pizza, sweet sauce, square. So if you like beach pizza, Tripoli is for you. Number 2 is Santarpios, but you have to go to East Boston. I know there's a couple locations. East Boston's the original one. Almost looks like it's in a 3-family. Line out the door. The pizza is amazing. There's great photos on the wall of famous people. If you have not been there, definitely get yourself over to Santarpios. And then number 1, of course, you all know what it is. It's Pizza Regina in the North End. Have to go to that location as well. There's a few different locations. It's a small establishment, very tight inside, but historic. Great place. Same thing. Line down the street. Wait in line. You'll absolutely love it. What's your favorite pizza place? Comment below.